How to change Chrome default homepage. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can set your Google Chrome homepage. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let's start with the video. Let me open my Chrome browser. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Chrome browser. So before we go ahead, we have to check one thing, that your Chrome browser up to date or not. So how we can check it? Just click on this three dot icon and go to the help section. Under the help, you need to click on this about Google Chrome option. Now it's bring you the about Google Chrome. Here you can check whether your Chrome browser is up to date or not. If it is not, it will be start updating automatically, and after update you have to just relaunch it, your Chrome browser. After relaunch, just open. Now in order to set up your home page, in my case my home page is Google. You can see my search bar, default search engine also Google, my home page also Google. So how I can change it to Google or any other page? I can set up the home page. Just click on three dot option, come to the settings, and at your left side there is a sidebar. We need to go in on startup. On startup you will see the three option. Okay, so under three option you need to select the open the specific page or set the page. Just click on it. Now in my case I have already select the Google. Okay, if you want to add any other page, just open this page at your new tab. If I want to make the YouTube my home page, I will open the YouTube address here. Just double click on it, it will be highlight. Right click on it and copy it. Now we need to add the new page and right click on it and paste here and just add it. It will be add here, and you can remove your current page and just come back. Now when you start Google Chrome, it will be open your default page. Okay, when you start up your Google Chrome, it will be open your default page. Okay, now if you want to change this search engine, you can also change. You need to just go to the search engine, and from here you can change the search engine if you want. Okay, so that is how you can set up the home page. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.